Well, maybe this is what they mean by garden swimming pool. That tree's leaning over there. Oh. Yeah, we'll lose that one too. It was a fruit tree. This one too. So here's the mango tree. Move it up a little higher so we can see a little better. So what's left of our mango tree? Our guava tree is still intact. But my poor mango tree, my avocado tree. There's another tree under it that partially fell over. Don't know the name of it. Azuela or something. We'll have to ask Susanna. Lots of mangoes or avocados on the ground though. Our sour orange tree is fine. Look, this is what's weird. So here's an avocado that's just totally cut in half. I don't know what happened, but it was just totally cut in half. We'll throw it over the fence like we do the rest of them. The canal behind us. Thank goodness it didn't raise. Nixon and Louie. Nixon and Louie! Hi, Boo-Boos. Don't eat all those guavas on the ground. Alright. That's about it. Bandit's taking down some hurricane shutters. Oh, and we lost a lot of screens. Not as bad as our neighbor, though. It looks like he don't have any left.